Hi guys, this is Jana from the blog Lucy and Matilda, and today we're going to make a roast chicken from the cookbook by Jan Karen, Cynthia's Roast Chicken. Okay, so first of all, I've brined the chicken, which is 5 quarts of water with 1 cup of salt, for about 3 hours. The recipe says 3 to 5 hours is a good time, or 3 to 8 hours is a good amount of time. So I did it for about 3 hours. Now I couldn't put it in my fridge, so what I did was I added ice cubes to the water, and now I'm going to rinse the chicken off really well to get most of the brine off. A brine will actually make your chicken meat very moist. So, okay, there we go. Okay, so before I put it in the cast iron pan, I'm going to dry it off, just like this, and put it breast up in the pan. Kind of wobbly. Now, what I'm gonna do is stuff the core with 2 lemons. So I'll just kind of roll it a little bit to get them juicy, like that, and cut them in half. Now the recipe calls for 1 lemon, but I think 2 lemons will be just fine. If I can fit them in. It might be 1.5 lemons that I stick in there. Yeah, 1.5. Well, here we go. And then I'm going to put 2 sprigs of rosemary in the cavity, and we will smash about 5 cloves of garlic. I really like roast chicken. It goes well with a lot of different meals, and it's very, very simple to do. This roast chicken is baked at 450 degrees for half an hour, and then you turn it down to 350 for another hour, or until the internal temperature is 150 degrees Fahrenheit. So, whoops. More choppers. So I got myself. Anyway, so we'll smash these 5 and take the paper off. Boy, garlic smells good. I don't like the smell staying on my hands, so usually I'm kind of a baby and I buy it in little frozen cubes so I don't have to have the garlic smell on my hands, but there's nothing that beats fresh garlic. All right, so I'm gonna put 3 inside the cavity. And just tuck them in there real nice. There we go. And I'll just smash these a little bit better. Okay. You rub the whole chicken down in olive oil. A little pampering before they hop into the oven, and rub garlic on the skin. And I'm going to tuck some of this garlic underneath the skin here. Actually, I'll tuck it all underneath, as well as a couple of rosemary branches, sprigs. Go. Now I'll tuck one sprig under one side, just under the skin on the breast there, and the other sprig onto the other side. Boy, that smells good already. Okay, so it's all oiled up. We'll take our salt, give it a good sprinkling all over. That's quite a bit of salt, but here, get it in there. All right, now it's time to go in the oven at 450 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the oven. Well, I already took it out of the oven, but there we go. Now let's stick the thermometer in and see what temperature it's at. Let's see if we can keep it out or put it back in. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is almost 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's finished. All right, so here's the roast chicken. I'll turn it around, you can see. It smells wonderful. Now, if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will put a link to the full recipe and instructions in the description box. Link to my potato salad, a rustic potato salad that will go very well with this roast chicken. Okay? Everybody, have a great day, and we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.